Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech of the Blind. So last week I made a video about the white cane, and this week is a more tutorial on how to use the white cane. Hope you enjoy. So first we'll talk about how to select the right height for the cane for yourself. For example, the traditional white cane is about shoulder height. Mine's just barely at the shoulder, as you can probably see. And so this cane is 58 inches. And it provides more reach, and it's great for my walking because I'm a fast walker. So when you get your cane, you're going to be told to put your index finger on the top part of the cane, or on the flat part, which some canes have a flat part, but not always. So you put your finger there, and so let's say you're right-handed, right? You're going to start with your right foot, then put the cane tip to the left, and vice versa, foot to the foot out, cane to the right. And this is called having your feet in sync with your cane. The next technique is called shorelining. And so shorelining is, let's say there's a wall next to you, or you're in an unfamiliar place. You can take your cane and trace the wall or whatever, while making sure you're not running into anything. If there's a door, so let's say you're tracing the wall, right, and there's a door right in front of you. You can hear, by the sound of the cane, that there's a door there, and you can reach out and open it. So, now that you're back from using your cane, now it's time to fold it. So you first take the grip and fold that down. Then take the second joint, fold that into the first one, and continuing until you get to the last one itself. And then you take the string on the top of your cane and wrap it over the tip until it holds everything secure, and you can put it under your chair or wherever you are for easy and convenient storage. That's the perk of a folding cane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something from it. If you did, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications.